Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yesterday I told you part 2 and today I will tell you speak English with American sentences part 3. So listen to me carefully. Number 1. How do you like the food here? Number 2. What places have you visited so far? Number 3. Would you like to try some local dishes? Number 4. Do you like spicy food? Number 5. What do you think about our people? Number 6. Are you enjoying your time here? Number 7. Have you made any local friends? Number 8. Can you understand our accent? Number 9. What is your favorite thing about our country? Number 10. It's very different from your country. Number 11. Do you have any suggestion for your tourist here? Number 12. Would you like to visit again? Number 13. How do you find the people here? Number 14. Do you want to learn some Urdu words? Number 15. Thank you for visiting your country.